Alright, I truly believe this will work. It didn't. I used this AND gate circuit, discrete AND gate, formed by two diodes, one resistor of 10 kilo, plus voltage, but no ground. Supposedly, these inputs should be grounded, should be to 0 volts, and then when they get high, they get to the 5 volts, obstructing this input pretty much, and leaving the 5 volts flow to the output. But if one of these or both of them are to 0 volts, the current is cycling through one of these or both diodes, but not affecting the output. Theoretically. Practically, it's another story. And here is the story. I've mounted here in my last space that I have those two diodes, put a 10 kilo resistor here, I put a link here between them. Let me show you the circuit as well. So that is the 10 kilo there. Here is a wire, metal link. It's this link here. From here, I put this yellow wire as the output to that, what is called? PN201 to PN2, to this counter that it needs, is needing it. And these two blue wires are the inputs who theoretically should stay at 0 volts at ground level. But and probably they are some sort of ground. Only he knows. It's powered right now. Let's cycle through the thing and see exactly what it's doing. Actually, first of all, let me disconnect it from here and show you how I can remember to the minus. So I connected it to the minus. Let's cycle until we reach 7 to see exactly how it should look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember this 3, this third lead here. So 1, 2, 3 is actually the fourth in binary. So that's fourth. 5, 6. Also remember this 2. So these two leads on is the 6 in binary. And 7 are all 3 open. This is 7 when I'm pressing right now. This is 7 and 8. Everything is going off and letting the last lead here, the fourth one. So now is the 8. But remember, that's 7, all 3 of them on. And then 8 is the last one. Remember this sequence. So the 2 in the middle, 3, all 3, and then the last one is this one open. So let me switch back. And, okay. And reset it back to 0. Right now it's on 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, remember? 4, 5, 6. And now is the thing. On the 6 are these 2. On the 7 should be all 3 lit. And 8 is this one lit on the margin. When I'm pressing again, ta-da! This is what is happening. It's not executing the 7, or it is executing it somehow, but it appears like it's jumping directly from 6, from this 2 in the middle, to 8, without considering the 7, or without resetting from the 7. It doesn't count the 7. It's kind of resetting it, but not really. But it's continuing counting. That's the problem. And it's against any kind of logic I can think of. What the hell? With that AND circuit that I have there is counting only to 4. Only to this third lead. When it's reaching this, is not reaching this fourth lead. Is 1, 2. These 2 together. When it's reaching 4, is resetting. And then again this 2. Only the first 2 are opening, and then resetting from 4. So definitely is a weird shit. But what is telling me, all this experiment, this little experiment that I did here, is telling me that the chip can count, but is absolutely improperly wired to count. And also I believe this diodes AND gate that I made here, it might also be unsuitable for him. Something else, he needs something else. I don't know what yet, but definitely it needs another type of AND gate with another internal logic here, some transistors probably. I have no idea. Or MOSFETs transistors, I hope not. BJT transistors, like NPNs or PNPs. This is so hard. So hard. Why is so hard? Eh? Why is on me so hard? I'm always getting the hard stuff. So yeah, very, very interesting experiment. That is telling me the chip is good. That is telling me this AND gate is somewhat good, but not the right one, because these inputs from the chip, they don't like everything. They like something. They like something specific to be fed on them. Not every garbage like these 2 diodes or that chip and chip 4081. That is garbage, and this is garbage for this chip inputs. That's my point. So this is it for this part. I really, really hope I will get to the real answer. Holy fuck, this is so hard. De pula mea, ca să zic pe română. Da, asta e. Băgați-ai pula. All right, see you later, alligator.